their sleeves. Not everybody dies where they're born. Takes a field full of corn and turns it into whiskey. Say it with me, yeah, we do, don't we? Not everybody got that spot out in the 40. Some 10-point, but they shine, hanging like a velvet trophy. Fridays in parking lots, outside of somewhere holy. Not everybody likes this kind of life.